Hello everyone. Let's dive into the HDMI KVM switch designed for power users. This particular model supports 3 monitors, 2 computers, and boasts impressive 8K resolution at 60 Hz. It's a USB 3.0 KVM switch, meaning you get fast data transfer speeds for your peripherals. The main function, of course, is to allow seamless control of 2 computers with a single set of keyboard, mouse, and 3 monitors. This is a huge time saver and desk space optimizer for anyone who juggles multiple systems, whether it's for work, gaming, or a combination of both. The inclusion of 4 USB ports is a welcome addition. It provides enough connectivity for your essential peripherals like a keyboard, mouse, and potentially a webcam or a USB headset. The USB 3.0 support ensures that external drives and other high-bandwidth devices operate at their full potential. One of the standout features is its support for extended and copy modes. Extended mode allows you to spread your desktop across all 3 monitors, creating a massive workspace. Copy mode, on the other hand, mirrors the display on all 3 monitors, which can be useful for presentations or situations where you need to show the same content on multiple screens. The switch comes with a 12V DC adapter, which provides stable power for reliable operation. It also includes 2 USB 3.0 cables, which is a nice touch and saves you the hassle of having to purchase them separately. Setting up the KVM switch is generally straightforward. Connect your monitors, computers, and peripherals to the appropriate ports, and then power on the switch. The device is designed to be plug-and-play, so you shouldn't need to install any drivers. Switching between computers is typically done via a button on the switch itself. The build quality of the KVM switch feels solid and durable. The ports are well aligned, and the overall design is clean and functional. The compact size of the switch is also a plus, as it won't take up too much space on your desk. In terms of performance, the KVM switch delivers excellent results. The 8K resolution support ensures crisp and clear visuals, and the 60 Hz refresh rate provides smooth motion. There's no noticeable lag or delay when switching between computers, and the USB 3.0 ports provide fast data transfer speeds. Overall, this HDMI KVM switch is a great solution for anyone who needs to control multiple computers with a single set of peripherals and multiple monitors. The 8K resolution support, USB 3.0 connectivity, and extended copy mode functionality make it a versatile and powerful tool for both professional and personal use. The inclusion of the power adapter and USB cables is also a nice bonus. If you're looking for a high-quality KVM switch that can handle demanding tasks, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.